We'll do a quick walk around video on this absolutely killer Gladiator here. You see the King shocks, method wheels, power steps. This thing has all the bells and whistles. Excuse the airplane flying over. Little step there. This actually, there's a second step that is not installed. That's for the passenger side. It's right back here with the hitch, Warren winch, controller, some extra phone mounts, and a jack, which wouldn't do much help, or wouldn't help much in this scenario. Let's take a look at the back here. Got all your USB ports back there. Take a gander on the passenger side. You have the removable top, and it's wired for radar. There's your height there. You can look in the center console, so another USB port. Little compartment there. The power step. You have that Warren winch with the ridge light bar right there. All right, we're gonna take a quick look under the hood. See that 6.4 liter Hemi. Pre-wired battery tender, ready to go. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, or you can use the contact seller button. If you need a shipping quote, we'd be also happy to assist with that. Just use the contact seller button. Thank you, and good luck with the rest of the auction.